Alrighty, that was the head freeze. So the head freeze is basically anything as long as you go on top of your head. You can do different variants with your legs or whatever pattern you like. The main base of this is called a head freeze. So from a head freeze, the main important thing you have to know about is that you're forming a triangle. Everything is basically for some freezes or power moves. This is basically a power move. It's a triangle form. Triangle form is really important because it's like a base. If you have a base of 2, it will fall forward or backwards. With a triangle, it can kind of stay in a cone form and stay up. Same with your head freeze. My head is here, and my hands are going to be here and here. So they're basically forming a triangle. So the base thing on top of the knees, once you're on top of the knees, hands go 1, 2. Same thing like a plank, and aim for your head to be in front. So hand, bring the head down, bring the hips up. Once the hips are up, bring one leg up first and push off with the one that's on the bottom. So 1, and then try to hold with the hands. So once it's in a triangle, you can hold this. This is your base freeze. If you would like to add more to it, you can do a pike freeze, a bend freeze, a lock freeze. You can do whatever you like with it as long as you're staying in the form of a triangle. The triangle form will help you balance everything from there. That's mainly important. So base, start here, start on the knees, hand, head goes up top. Once the head is up top, bring the hips up, bring the legs close to your body. If it's far, you won't be able to lift your body. So bring it up, bring one leg up first, one, push off a little bit, and balance. Actually use your hands. Once you use your hands, try to hold it as long as possible. And that's a head freeze.